Okay, we're back. Um, this is like my sixth restart. I've got quite the mess going on here. Lots of things going on. Right now, my goal is to make radio control units. And that requires, I have lots of that. That requires crystal oscillators and computers. Now, I made sure that I do have computers in production. They are right here. They are in production. It's kind of slow because the plastic, it's always starved for plastic. So I had to take, I've got tons and tons of rubber. Now these make plastic and rubber. Half of them were making rubber. I turned them all into plastic. So now I'm just making buttloads of plastic. See, I'm just loaded up on rubber. I do not need to make rubber. And just as fast as these can make plastic, get them to the train station. It's pretty slow going. But I should have enough computers by the time. Now every one of these, just about every one of these storage units I made so I can turn the feeds on and off, so I can tell it what to build and what not to build. For example, when the plastic comes in from the train station, right? If you look over here, there's a sign here that says circuit board, but I disconnected the line, so it doesn't send plastic to circuit board. But here it says computer, and it does send. So it's sending all the plastic to computer, which is where I need it. Okay, I just routed crystal quartz over here for my crystal oscillators, and we need to make some room. So that's on Zoop. That's right. We're going to make some room here. Crystal oscillators are just made from crystal quartz in a manufacturer? No. Oh, in a manufacturer. I also need cable and reinforced iron plate. There's my crystal quartz. Cable, cable, cable. I think I'm making lots of cable. Oh yeah, there's lots of cable. What's that going to? There's got to be a sign. That's going to computers. Okay. I got to figure out how to get my cable over there. How about on top of this? 6. It's my splitter. Now I got to make a sign, of course. That's gonna block my sign. That's all right. And I'll just put it on. I'll do this. And a sign. Crystal. Oscillator. Okay. Now if I don't want it to make crystal oscillators, I just dismantle that little piece of conveyor belt there. I can't have my resources making everything. I'll just run out of them and I won't make any. If that makes any sense. I wish you could turn like a smart splitter on and off. That would be cool. Remotely. Like from any smart splitter. There are power switches that do that. Well, I should get it over here with my, that might be too long a stretch. Let's find out. Get it over here with my crystal. It's too long. Yep. Okay. How many more? One more. That. And that. Cable, cable, cable. And oh, I need and I should have made it go sideways. Damn it. How much room do I have? You gotta be careful when you dismantle, because if your inventory is plugged up and you dismantle, that leaves a crate behind. You can see I got all kinds of fucking dismantle crates all over the place. I try not to do that, but some things just can't be avoided. Well, I was going to go off to the side anyways. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. I want it to go off to the side. I'll show you why in a minute. I'll make a lift here. Now this can go off to the side. Maybe too steep. How about that? It's not tall enough? Oh. It's higher than the crystal belt. Durr. I'm not a very smart man, but I know what love is. Okay. So that and 1, 2. Yeah. There we go. Okay, now I got cable. Yes, sir. Now we need computers, right? No. Reinforced iron plate. Oh, that's going to be fun. Guess where they're at? Way the fuck over here. And there seems to be some of that, not lots, but I guess enough. How much reinforced iron plate is that going to go through? Five. Okay, it's going to go through a minimal amount of reinforced iron plate. It's going to go through a buttload of cable and crystal. Okay, so I think this, even if I'm not producing reinforced iron plate at the moment, I think that's enough because it doesn't look like it's draining anywhere else. Now, how do I get it over there? No, I want to make a sign. I gotta make another stack of these because I want to be able to turn it off. So I have a little short piece of belt here. And a sign. Okay, well, let's think, Michael, think. I have a little tiny, vertical. There. And here's your sign. I can even delete all of this. Now I'll have a floating sign. We're going to do that more often. Okay. Crystal. CRY. Oscillator. Yes. Okay. Reinforced iron plates going to crystal oscillator. It on straight, and then it's only going to go straight. Left. Oh, I messed up that left. Belts now. Mark 5 belts. What were they? Were they 480? I think they're 480 a minute. They're fast. They're pretty yeah, they should go over there and just stack on top of the cable. Follow the cable. With this network of I screwed that up. Network of foundations. It's quite the spaghetti mess. That's what they call spaghetti. When you have more than one product on a belt, they call it linguine. What they call massive belts everywhere, they call it spaghetti. That's just a term that someone came up with. Okay. It's going to be 2. Well, I wonder... You can make short lifts, but it's kind of tricky. You get this guy up close to here, like so, and bam, there it is. No, it's only one step ahead, above instead of 2. Very cute little tiny lift. Okay. So now all I need is these guys. Just one up. And a lift. and 1, 2. And reinforced iron plates. All right, was that all I needed for that? I don't remember. I can't remember that far back. Yes. I need a drink. I have beer in the car, but I'm just drinking my tea. Okay. Oh, one thing I'm using here before we continue is what's called dimensional depots. See if I can find one. They're all over the place. Right here's one. What they do is I take material. I got them all over the place. I take material and feed them into the dimensional depot, and this is all dimensional depot. It stores up to a set amount into, I guess you would call, what's the term for that? The cloud. They're in the cloud. And when I need the materials to build, it just takes them automatically from here and then refills the dimensional depot. So, I'm not constantly, I can build and build and build and build, and occasionally I'll run out of something, but not all the freaking time, you know what I mean? So, it's really, really cool. They're really expensive, but I cheated. They need these, that purple globe thing. I forgot what they're called at the moment. But I cheated and used, I have a duplicator system over here. If you take these factory carts, it's a bug in the game. And you load, I got 48 of them here, right? You load that. And then delete it. Look what it says. It says 96. Now I got 96 of them. They're really rare, so I shouldn't be able to make this many dimensional depots. But, you know, life is hard enough, so that's what I do. Okay. Back to flying mode. Back to cheater mode. This would look a hell of a lot different if I couldn't fly. And I couldn't cheat. It'd be more accessible from the ground. There'd be staircases and elevators and just shit everywhere. All right. I need these guys, manufacturers. All right. Slow the movement down a little bit. Where should I take? Should I go this way with it? Or this way? I guess I can face them. Yeah, I'll face them this way and go. Sure I have enough room on the other side there. I'll go like that. Okay. Not exactly lined up with that one, but who the freak cares, right? Crystal oscillator. Now it takes in, the most it takes in is 18 per minute of the quartz. Now I'm kicking out 480. Here's where the math comes in. I'm kicking out the belts do 480 a minute. So 480. What was the number? 18? Yes. 480 divided by 18. 26.6 of them. No. Yeah. But I could. I don't have to make 26 of them. I could make up to 26.6 of them. But I'm going to. I use my duplicator on these too. I'm going to overclock this mofo. See if I can come up with a round number though. 45, I think. $45. I think 40 is more of a round. Yeah, 12. So if I can get this to 40, which would be what? 225%? 40.5, close. 222.5. Even closer. All right. 222.25. Close enough. See right there, 40. And double check my math here. 12. These are so massive. I don't know if I want to make 12 of them. I should just make 6. I'm going to make 6. What am I missing? Motors? I'm using up all my motors. For something. What am I using motors on? Where are my motors? Right there. Oh, that's the input. Oh, I disconnected the depot. Because I needed motors for something else. It looks like it's going backwards because it's moving so fast. The belt is fast. Okay, so now I should be getting motors. Here they come. Okay. This is why I fly, because if I was on the ground, holy crap, this would take forever. Okay. I'm going to take that 12 and cut it in half. 6. 2. This is all in service of the radio control unit. 3. 4. 5. 6. Okay, I like my settings here. So I'm going to copy. and paste, 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 paste. And we'll wire them all up together. And start making lifts. One, two. One, two, three, four. One, two. One, two, three. One, two. Oh. Two. Okay, and splitters. Make sure my splitters are facing the right direction. Oh, that one isn't. What happened? Why'd it change it? I don't know why it changed it. And build all this shit together. Okay, just about got everything. Let's hook this guy up to the grid. That's available for a power pole. Give it the power. Dun 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 dun. I've got the power. Okay. Never do that again. I know. Never do that again. I should have faced these out. Like I said, I'm not a very smart man. There. Okay. First up to bat. Is that too close? It might be too close. Let's find out. It's too close. Well, that'll work. Okay, back to straight mode. Okay. And it's 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. We are making crystal oscillators. Now they have to go somewhere. Are they going to go that way? It's pretty crowded over there. I have a spot for a storage unit here. Well, I think I'll just stick them on the end of this. Mergers. And one of these. I discovered that if I put the box in the middle of a line, then when I make my sign, I need to put in a zoop. The sign, it gets centered on the box. Let's make sure it's not upside down. It's not. Okay. And Control C. Control V. That's a done deal. I'm only making, well, these are completely loaded up, so it is going to make 2.223 per minute. Yeah. I could make up to 12 of them. I can make another 6. But should I? I could just make another 6 and connect them up with these. That's 2.223 times 6. $13.338 per minute. Okay, now I need to work on radio control units, I believe. I think I now have all the materials I need for that. Let's take a look. 1 minute, give me a minute here. Yeah, I need computers and those aluminum thingamajigs. The only problem is my aluminum thingamajigs are not being shipped in via train. They're at the aluminum plant over the water. I am making computers. Oh yeah. My aluminum plant is this one. There's those casings that I was talking about, the thingamajigs. And they are, the only thing they're outputting to is a dimensional depot. If I add a car to the train, where's the train station? There is no train station here. There's no train station here? I could make a train station and veer off that track. Do I really want to do that? No. Oh, there's another track going on. No, I don't want to, because I'd have to add cars to everything. It's just a fucking headache. I gotta get my aluminum thingamajigs. My aluminum thingamajigs over there. So that's for radio control unit. That's not lined up with that. Why does it say it's lined up with it? Oh, this silly fucking thing. Okay. There. Do I have a network of platforms going? Well, I do have a, is that got a belt under it? Yeah. I can connect up with this network here. Right here. I haven't got a spot. It's facing the right direction. Well, I don't want to, well, that's an input, so it don't matter. I don't want to block any outputs. I'll just go all the way to the end here. Did I? Fuck. Fuck. I want to make sure I'm going to the right place. Yeah, yeah. Uh-oh. I mean, it's too long. Oh. Alright, where am I going? I gotta make sure I'm going to the right. I am. Alright. I should bring it down to this network. See, over here is too far, so yeah, it's gonna work out just fine. How high do I want that? Right somewhere around there. And splitters. Oh, I got the elevation perfect. Okay. They look like they're going backwards because it's moving so fast. All right. Okay. So crystal oscillators, what did I need for that? Computers. I have crystal oscillators and aluminum casing. Here's my crystal oscillators. Here's my aluminum casing. Now I need pooters. Here's my pooters. Two radio control unit. And how am I going to get this over there? I am producing, yes, I'm producing computers at a snail's pace, but still doing it. Crystal, which way is that crystal going? That's going all the way to the end of the line. I want to go the other direction. How about if I cross? Where's my computer storage? Right here. How about if I somewhere around there. It's not going to lock up with it. I go this way and this way. Should I bring it to the floor now? Yeah. Now we're cooking with butter. Lots and lots of computers. Okay. Now where am I going to put my new factory? Oh, I need, okay. I need to do this. Here's your sign for radio control units. Yeah, what are you doing? So it's just 3 items, right? Yes. Okay. Oh. Saturn. It's probably not Saturn. Looks like Saturn. Okay. Well, all this shit's coming from the right, so something like that. And radio control units. That's going to take in aluminum casing at 40 per minute. Good thing I'm making a buttload of those. Okay, so 480 divided by 40 is 12. I'll make 6 of them again. Two. Three. Wonder if it's just faster if I lay down the hologram. Go like that. 4. Line it up. And go in as far as I can. 5. Line it up. And go in as far as I dare. And that'd be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gonna wire it together. And copy these settings. And paste. And You know, it's kind of cramped in here, isn't it? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Chase them out. Yeah. It is really cramped in here. I'm almost lost here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I guess this one can go to the tall one. It can just go up right now. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. And this one can go to 1, 2. What? It's an input, so what's the problem? Oh! I'm not a very smart man. This is the input side of the box. This is the output. See? All right. And radio control units. Bam. 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 And well, it's too close to make it turn. So we'll just take it off of straight and go to default. And it'll kind of shimmy that guy. Why is that so high? Because this should have been one, two. And this is just one. Okay, all I need is power. There's the power. Put a pole here. And power. And we should be making radio control units at 2.5 units per minute. Now I could, instead of, I only made 6 instead of 12. You know what I can do? See, right now it's taking a minute 40 a minute. 200%, 80 a minute. And now it's kicking out 5 a minute. Control C. Control V. Control V. Control V. Control V. Control V. And 80 times 6, well, 6 times 8 is 480, so yeah, 80 times, yeah, that's right. Now I got all these fucking, oh, let's get rid of all this concrete. There. And I can pick these up. I'm out of room again. What should I got lots of rubber. Let's get rid of the rubber. And here we go. Okay. Might as well put that storage box right there next to this guy here. Output. Put it in the middle. Line it up with the other one. And make a sign. Is it upside down? Yes. There we go. And we're making what? Radio control units. Radio control units. Control C. Control V. And splitters, mergers. This episode of the Mike Show is just about over because I have things to do besides this. What time is it? Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bar and give me some Bloody Marys and breakfast. Now we're making radio control units at a whopping 5 times 8 is 6, 30 a minute. And I need 50 of those. There they are. And we can do a dimensional depot. I can squeeze one in there. Oh, wrong direction. It's my output over here. Clipping. And let's see here, what's 9? Okay. Just a couple more things I shouldn't have to worry about in my inventory. I've got my 50 radio control units.
Milestone reached. Drones provide automated low-capacity aerial transport between drone stations. Stations need to be supplied with any kind of fuel for the drones to function. Fixit had several restrictions in place prohibiting creative use of drones. I have since removed those because I think no pioneer would ever misuse Fixit property right under their noses. Especially since everything is recorded.
Now I can use drones and I can just have, they don't transfer very much at a time, not as good as trains, but instead of one train station or one drone station, I could have a buttload of drone stations transporting the same thing, and it'd be the same as a train without having to lay down all the track. So I think I'm going to be utilizing a lot of drone technology to get shit from point A to point B instead of, you know, this crap. Because as you can tell, it takes a lot of time. A lot. That was my Joe Biden impression. Guess what, folks? It takes a lot of taxes to fill my pockets. Alright. What a creep. I'm glad that shit's over. That shit is over, and so is this episode. All right. Thank you for tuning in, for watching. I will see you at work on Monday. Bye.